What you guys doing today? Alright, so welcome back. So the previous video before this, I'm gonna put it in the description. I'm gonna put it somewhere here on the screen. When I done the mirror conversion from the manual to the electric mirrors. Now I'm gonna do a keyless entry setup. So this is the what I received. Alright. So this is the keyless entry where winds up the window, flash the lights on the car, do the alarm, to let you know when the car is open or when it's locked. All of these cool stuff. I'll show you how it's operate. In fact, these are the list of things that you can do. Okay, so I'm gonna install this one on my car. So stay tuned. We're done. Take a little break earlier. So now it's done. The keyless entry for the 97 Toyota Corolla. So we're gonna close. Let's unlock. Gonna close. Alright. Open. Close. Alright. So this light right here, that indicate the turning signal outside. But I take a shortcut and just make a little tester light here and just connect the light from inside. Alright, so this light will be flashing outside rather than inside. I just put this here for test purpose. Okay, so from the module right here, the two yellow wire and the black wire, you're gonna ground these three. This one, these two grounds. The red one with fuse, you find a constant power, connect mine to the steering column right here. Get some light to show you right here. So here, connect mine to the steering column right here. Okay, now as the diagram say, these brown wires, these are the positive wire for the turning signal, one left, one right. You find them, you connect them. Okay, but I'm mostly about the lock. Alright, and basically that's it. These two white wire, one for open, one for close. The straight one with the white is for close. This one is for open, white wire with the black. So these wire gonna connect to the kick side panel, passenger side on this side. Let me show you. Right here. So this wire with the blue, with one wire with the blue wire with white stripe, and blue wire with red stripe to the side right here. You connect these two white wire. These are just extension, but the white wire from the module, the one with the black, connect to the blue wire with the white. That's wire right here, and the other for that. So one's open, one's unlocked. That's it. All right, so that's it. Send me a comment or something. I'll chat with you guys in the comment. Help you connect it easy. All right. Thank you for watching. It's finished. I'm gonna show you everything. So the brown wires goes to the light from the module, right? Goes to the light, right? The one with black go to the left. One with the green with black goes to the left signal, and the one on the green with yellow goes to the right. All right, that's the two brown. And the pink one from the module also goes straight outside to the horn. So you can buy a little aftermarket horn or something, Benz horn, and you can connect it like that. Okay, but for now I'm just gonna use my horn that the car comes with. Alright, just for test purpose. Alright, so all I use is the two white goes to the door, one to the left, one to the right. Two brown goes to the turning signal, one to the left, one to the right. And the one pink wires goes to the horn, to the positive side of the horn, and you know the ground is grounds to the body. Alright, so the window up doesn't work with this car. Okay, the window up doesn't work with this car, so the window up option and the trunk, those wires gonna be cut, which is the blue wire and the green wire from the module. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna show you now before I start put everything together. So this is the close, there we go, and this is the that was the close. This is the open. No, that was the open. This is the close. So I'm gonna close now. So we can hear. You hear the horn, light flashes, windows open. Sorry, the door lock, and that's that. So that's that. Thank you for watching. There's a machine look. Wash off, man.
Yeah, not too much talking. Not talking. Girl, I say swag loud. Something like Bradley. Upper swag cool, smooth, no bumpy. Well wanted and bad like Rumpy. Ever fresh, no girl can style the G and talk from mouth same and funky. And straight and puzzle. These them not make the girls them muffle. Straight and puzzle. Country beats make me cool, me no rough like gravel. Straight and puzzle.